CBSE Class 6 Maths Worksheet number 2 Topic Number System. The sum of two integers is minus 54. What do you mean by integers? Integers is denoted by the letter capital Z. It is set of all positive numbers, negative numbers and 0. Okay. If one of them is 34, which means if one integer is 34, then the other is dash. Find the other integer. 4 options are given. Solution. What are given? Sum of two integers is given as minus 54. One number is given as 34. What we have to find? The other number. Okay. Let us see the calculation part. Sum of two integers is minus 54. This statement has been written as one number plus other number. You can write it as one integer plus other integer is equal to minus 54. Why did we write so? Because this symbol means since or because. Because this is given in the question. One number can be replaced by 34. Why? Because given. What is given? Where it is given? It is given in the question. One of them is 34. One of them is nothing but one number of those two integers. So one number is 34 plus other number is equal to minus 54. So we have to find the other number. This symbol is called therefore. This symbol is called since or because. Okay. See here. So, therefore, other number is equal to what is already existing in the right hand side, minus 54. Okay, so minus 54 has been written. And then from left hand side, 34 has been transposed across the equal to sign. So, it gets its opposite operator minus. 34 is with positive sign in left hand side. On transposing to the other side of equal to sign, it gets negative sign. So 34 has become as minus 34. So minus 54 minus 34, which means 54 rupees loss and 34 rupees loss, which is nothing but the addition of or sum of loss of 54 and loss of 34. Okay. To make you understand easily, I use the word loss to denote the negative sign. Okay. So, to add two losses, it is enough to add how much is the loss totally. Which means, to find minus 54 and minus... To add minus 54 and minus 34, it is enough to add 54 and 34, get the value. Since both the numbers are having negative signs, the answer also should be having a negative sign. Okay, is it clear? The sum of two negative integers is nothing but sum of two positive integers with a negative sign. It will be clear now. So, 54 plus 34 is 88. Since 54 and 34 both are having negative signs, the answer 88 also should carry negative sign. So the other number is minus 88. So the answer is B. Okay. Let us move to problem number 2. The sum of two integers is 1956. So, we can write it as one integer plus other integer is equal to 1956. If one of them is 1924, 1924, then the other is dash. 4 options are given. Let us write what are given. Sum of two integers is equal to 1956. So, one integer plus other integer is equal to 1956. The reason is since given. And one more statement is given. What is that? One integer is equal to 1924. So 1924 has been replaced in the place of the statement 1 integer. So no need to change anything for other integer because we have to find the value of this thing only. So 1924 plus other integer is equal to 1956. So other integer is equal to, keep other integer in the left hand side, transpose 1924 to the right hand side. So already 1924 is with positive sign in left hand side. So on transposing it gets negative sign. Therefore we get 1956 minus 1924. So obviously this is a normal subtraction from a big number to a small number. Okay. Difference between two numbers. That's all. This is a normal subtraction. So find the value. 32 has come. So the other integer is 32. We have 32 in option A. So answer is option A. Question number 3. The number should be added to 27. To get minus 54 is dash. 4 options are given. The number should be added to 27 means 27 plus other number gives you minus 54. Okay. To 27 add some other number to get minus 54. This way you have to rearrange the statement. Then only you will be able to convert the word statement into mathematical statement with exact operators. Okay. So to 27 we are adding some other number to get minus 54 because it is given in the question. So other number is equal to, as we saw earlier, minus 54 is there and we are transposing 27 from left hand side to the right hand side of equal to sign. So plus 27 gets negative sign. Minus 54 minus 27 is nothing but minus 54 plus minus 27, which means sum of minus 54 and minus 27. The sum of two negative integers can be obtained by adding the positive values. So 54 plus 27, you get the answer 81 with negative sign minus. Got it? So the other number is equal to minus 81. In the same way, the number should be subtracted from minus 36 to get minus 24 is dash. 4 options are given. See, we have chosen the option for answer question number 3. Minus 81 is in option A. So write A. Let us come to 4 again. From minus 36, you have to subtract a number to get minus 24. This way you have to rearrange the given statement. Okay. So from minus 36. So minus 36 has been written at first. Subtract some other number. So minus 36 minus other number is equal to minus 24. Listen again. From minus 36, subtract other number to get minus 24 because it is given in the question. Now, this is nothing but minus 36 plus minus other number. So, sum of two negative values is equal to minus 24. Minus other number is equal to minus 24, and already here minus 36 is there. Okay. It has positive sign because, for example, you imagine 2 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 2, right? So minus 36 plus minus other number is nothing but minus other number plus minus 36. This plus minus 36 has become as minus of minus 36. The negative value of a negative value is nothing but the positive value. So, minus other number is equal to minus 24 plus 36. This also can be rearranged as 36 minus 24, which is equal to 12. This is a normal subtraction. Answer is 12. But this is not the other number. This is negative value of other number. Listen. Minus other number is equal to 12. Negative value of other number is 12 means what could be its positive value? It's minus 12. Okay. That's all. Among the following, the true statement is dash. 4 options are given. What are they? Minus 4 is greater than minus 3. Minus 4 is greater than minus 4 is less than minus 3. Minus 4 and minus 3 are non-comparable. Minus 4 is equal to minus 3. We can clearly say that minus 4 is not equal to minus 3. I have told you to imagine the negative sign as loss. Loss of 4 will not be equal to loss of 3. It could be things or money. Okay. Or marks also. I am using a number line to make you understand this. See, 0 is here. Positive values are to the right of 0 and negative values are to the left side of 0. In a number line, we know that the numbers towards the left side, towards left hand, will be less than the numbers which are on the right side. Here, in the number line system, minus 4 is to the left of minus 3. So, minus 4 is less than minus 3. 4 rupees loss, 3 rupees loss. Okay. So, this will be the greatest loss. So, this is the smallest value. So, minus 4 is smaller than minus 3. B. On subtracting minus 8 from 0, we get dash. So, what should we do? From 0, subtract 8, which means 0, subtract minus 8. So, 0 minus of minus 8. See here. 0 minus of minus 8 is equal to what? Which means 0 minus of minus 8 means negative value of minus 8. Negative value of minus 8 is nothing but plus 8. So 0 plus 8 is equal to plus 8. So answer is plus 8. It is in option B. So let us write B. Seventh question is, on subtracting 30 from minus 70 we get. Which means minus 70 from minus 70, remove 30. So minus 70 minus 30 is nothing but minus 70 plus minus 30. To find the sum of two negative values, it is enough to find the sum of two positive values and then the answer should be accompanied with a negative sign. See, 70 plus 30 is 100, which means minus 70 plus minus 30 is minus 100. That's all. Here there is a scribbling. That's why I have striken. And this portion should be omitted. So we have to mention compulsorily here, please omit. Okay. So the answer is minus 100. Option B. So we get B. The value of minus 8 plus minus 6. You know very well now that sum of two negative values can be obtained by adding those two positive values 8 plus 6 with negative sign minus. Okay. 8 plus 6 is 14. Its negative value is minus 14. Okay, so D. So the hint is sum of two negative integers is the sum of those two integers in positive form with negative sign. So 8 plus 6, the answer will be 14. Since both the numbers are having negative sign, 14 also should have negative sign. So answer is minus 14. The value of minus 20 minus of minus 40 is dash. Minus, listen carefully, minus 20 minus minus 40. We know very well that negative value of a negative form of a negative value is positive value. So this minus of minus 40 can be written as plus 40. See, the negative form of a negative value is positive form. So positive value. What is the positive form of minus 40? Plus 40. Okay.